Welcome. In front of me is the OPPO Find N2 Flip, and today I will show you how you can put this phone into recovery mode. Now to get started, all you need to do is hold the power key and volume up to get our boot menu. Power it off by swiping down, and once the device turns off, hold power key and volume down. When you see the OPPO logo, let go of the power key, keep holding volume down. And when you see the language selection, tap on your desired language, and there you are. This is, well, the recovery mode that we have on OPPO. It is fairly limited, only giving us basically one option, which is the wipe data, which in other words is a factory reset of the device, and then two options to leave this mode. So I'm gonna stick with the reboot device, which takes me back to Android, and obviously is just a way to leave it. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.